Hey, it's me again. We have a Samsung dryer. It's not heat at all. So, uh, let's take apart and see what's wrong with it. So, you need a flat, excuse me, you need a patty knife. We can lift it up. So, remove these and this one as well. We can sit one to the back. Once we're done, make sure these two screws, there should be one more here, so we're gonna add it. So once we're done, somehow they didn't put it. So once we're done with those three on top, so we need to remove these three as well. So one, two, and one right here. Once we're done, we can lift this one up. Sometimes, so there is two way. Sometimes you get stuck. So you can totally get remove this one, or you can put it on the side. So if this one is get stuck, so you can do easily lift it up, and that's how. So yes, you can disconnect this one, or if you have room, just lift it up and set it to the side. So the way I explained, so I don't want to remove this one most of the time. So these parts gonna crack really quick. So then you have to replace it. So that's why I just put it on the side. So once we're done, then we need to remove from blower fan, then 4 screws from front bolt. So one here, one here. So then we can disconnect the sensor, lift it up, and just like that. Okay, so now we can reach on the belt, push it to the left and release it from the motor pulley. Okay, like that. And now we need to check those fuses, heat element, and we will see what's the problem. This is how we remove that belt and put it back. So if it's hooked up already, so you have to push it back to the left and release it. Same way. So if you want to put it back, this is gonna goes like this. Push it and put it. That's how you put it. Thank you. So you need to check that. So you need a multimeter. Put it on ohm setting. So we're just gonna go check one by one and see what's wrong with this. Okay. So in this case we have a bad heat element. Thermal fuse is good, and limit switch as well. So yes, So to do that, we need to replace a heat element, and we good. So we're gonna do in a minute already. So always make sure, so take a picture of these. If you do this one for the first time, then you don't need to get confused. So we can remove those, then unscrew. If that doesn't work, then I will use my drill. And I worn it out, I believe. So I thought I worn this one, but I think we're good. So the reason so I don't need to take these off, so show you guys the quick way, then you don't need to confuse, and at the same time you can save time, so you don't need to take those, disconnect those wire. Since we don't need to, because we're not gonna replace those fuses, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Alrighty. So once we're done with that one, so now we can remove these screws. And I can lift it up. So you will get like with a complete, then you don't need to do other stuff which I do. But if you get like this kind heat element, so you have to remove these screws and screw it, take the old one, and we will go with the new one. So so these are not necessary, which I didn't record it for the most part. So once you take that one off, so right here, as you can see, you have to, so to remove this one, this is the easy way. Pull it close to you, or you can force it somehow. You can see we need to flat those, straight it up, then we can able to remove that the old one. Just like that. So same thing on this one. As you can see, so we have that one is tilted, so it's not let us to force this one or push this one and take it off. So again, same thing, we can flat those which is hold. Then once we do that, then we can like that, one end and other end, then you can just like that. So let me show you. I'm talking about these. So once inside, then so you have to lock it just like that, so it's not gonna come off. So that's how you have to flat it out, then you can take it out. I'm gonna clean those and put everything back, then we put back everything, and same thing. So you just can bend one of those, is totally fine, not a big deal, so you don't need to do both. One is also good enough. Then so now it's not gonna go back. So once we're done, we just start it. So now we put everything back, and it's ready. As you can see, we vacuum it, so the wheel is all ready too, and we can put it back. Same thing, we can reach it on the belt, so it goes around the pulley, then we hook it up to the drive motor. So, but you will see the video I will upload. Alright, just like that. And so as you can see, if you can find it out always, so this is the broken area, so it's melted, so there's no coil, no continuity goes, so that's why it happened. Alright, so now we put front bolt and just start with the bottom. So those two wheels need to go underneath the drum, then we can just lift it tiny and we can hook these are here. So just like that. Same thing. Swift was adjusting, just do this way. Alrighty. Connect this one. So now we need to put these screws, and we almost we can put these back. And last one goes here. Alrighty. Once we're done, so again we started from the bottom. So once it's fit, just like that. Okay. And we need to find one screw here, which is we missed. So I always keep last one. So once we're done, put these off and just like that. Tilt it down a little. And the last one. So in here, as you can see, have a small dent. So just push it. It's not gonna get better, but much better than it was. So it's still some, but that's fine. So once we're done with that one, so one and two, and we need one more. Did I miss it? Where is it? Right here. Okay. So last one. Already. So we will check him. Thank you so much again for watching. If this video helped out, don't forget to subscribe. So weekly we upload videos, and so just 62. So again, if dryer, Samsung dryer doesn't heat, so follow those things. Heat element, fuses, which is limit switch, thermostat fuse. Those are the most common issue. Thank you for watching, and see you next videos.